Welcome to Ultimate Post Kit. In this video, we're thrilled to introduce the all-new dashboard in version 4.0. It's more informative, better organized, and incredibly user-friendly, giving you instant access to widgets, extensions, special features, API settings, and more. Everything you need is now packed into one powerful, streamlined interface. Ready to explore the new dashboard? Let's dive in. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard and click on the Ultimate Post Kit tab from the sidebar. This will take you straight to the brand new dashboard introduced in version 4.0. The interface has been completely redesigned for better navigation and a cleaner experience, featuring a vertical layout of organized tabs including dashboard, core widgets, extensions, special features, API settings, extra options, system status, other plugins, get up to 60%, rollback version, and license. Inside the Dashboard tab, you'll be greeted with a friendly welcome message introducing you to the plugin's environment. Just below, you'll find the Setup Ultimate Post Kit button. This helps you configure and personalize the plugin for your website. Perfect whether you're setting it up for the first time or revisiting your settings later. Next to it, you'll notice a comparison button that highlights the key differences between the free and pro versions, along with a purchase button that currently offers a limited-time 30% discount. As you scroll down, you'll see a feature request section where you can share your ideas or suggest new tools you'd like to see in future updates. Below that, you'll find learning resources such as detailed video tutorials, comprehensive documentation, and a link to the community platform, where you can connect with other users and get support directly from the BdThemes team. There's also a review link to share your feedback on the WordPress repository. In the top right corner of the dashboard, you'll see the Create New Page button. Clicking on it lets you instantly create a new Elementor page. Just enter your title and start editing right away. Beside it, there's a View Templates button, giving you quick access to a collection of ready-made templates designed for various page types. At the bottom, you'll find quick access links like Contact Us, Help Center, Request a Feature, and Get Your Support, making it easier to find help whenever you need it. Now, let's move on to the Core Widgets tab. This section lists every primary widget included in Ultimate Post Kit. At the top right, you'll find two control buttons, Activate All and Deactivate All. These allow you to manage all widgets at once with a single click. You can also toggle individual widgets on or off as needed. Once you're done customizing your selection, don't forget to click Save Settings to apply your changes. Next, we have the Extensions tab. Currently, you'll see two extensions available, Animations and MultiColor Item. These add deeper customization options, allowing you to create more advanced visual effects and dynamic layouts without relying on external plugins. In the Special Features tab, you'll discover a range of powerful tools designed to enhance your workflow. These include options like Dynamic Content, Category Image, Duplicator, Live Copy-Paste, Audio Link, and Video Link, all crafted to boost both creativity and performance as you design pages with Elementor. Moving on to API settings, this section lets you integrate third-party services such as MailChimp and Instagram. Many Ultimate Post Kit widgets depend on these APIs to display live data, and this tab makes it easy to manage your connections securely and efficiently. Next is the Extra Options tab, home to two advanced customization features, Custom CSS and JS, and White Label. The Custom CSS and JS panel allows you to write global code snippets that apply across your entire website. It's perfect for developers or advanced users who want complete styling freedom without using additional plugins or child themes. Whether you're adding unique animations, styling tweaks, or external scripts, this section gives you full control. The White Label feature is ideal for freelancers and agencies. It lets you rebrand Ultimate Post Kit with your own company name, logo, and author details. This way, your clients see your branding instead of the plugins, giving your projects a clean, professional, and fully customized identity. The System Status tab provides an overview of your setup. Here, you can see data about all widgets, core widgets, and active widgets, including usage details like used, unused, extensions, and total. It also displays important system requirements, helping ensure your environment meets the optimal standards for smooth performance. Next up, the Other Plugins tab showcases a curated list of additional tools developed by BdThemes that integrate seamlessly with Elementor and Ultimate Post Kit. These include popular plugins like Element Pack, Prime Slider, Ultimate Store Kit, Zolo Blocks, Pixel Gallery, Live Copy Paste, Spin Wheel, Instant Image Generator, Dark Reader, Augmented Reality Viewer, and the newly introduced Smart Admin Assistant and Sigmative website accessibility. Each plugin is crafted to expand your design capabilities and add more creative power to your workflow. The Get Up to 60% tab introduces you to the BdThemes affiliate program. By joining, you can earn up to 60% commission on every sale made through your referral link. The program includes real-time tracking, monthly PayPal payouts, and dedicated affiliate support, making it a great opportunity for creators, agencies, or influencers to earn while promoting products they already love. Now, let's check out the Rollback version tab. This tab lets you restore the plugin to a previous version if you encounter issues after an update. It's a quick safety feature that helps you return to a stable release without manual reinstallation. When a backup version is available, it will appear here for one-click rollback. Finally, the License tab is where you can manage your Ultimate Post Kit license details. You'll see your activation status, license type, expiration dates for both license and support, registered email, and license key. There's also an option to deactivate your license whenever needed, such as when migrating to a new domain. And that covers everything inside the new Ultimate Post Kit 4.0 dashboard. With the new layout and tools, managing widgets and settings is easier than ever. Explore each tab to unlock your full design potential in Elementor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and feature updates. And be sure to hit the bell icon so you'll never miss what's coming next from BdThemes. Thanks for watching.